Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. Today I will be replacing the rear brake pads on Ford Focus 2014, and today I will be using the first time this toolkit that I bought from AutoZone. By the way, it comes with a nice pair of gloves too. At this point I don't remember, this is the first time I'm gonna use it. I bought it a long time ago, so I don't know even what the price is right now, but the tool is like really nice. Before I was using this really cheap one, you know, supposedly should work on any sets, and I used it even on my I don't remember on what car I used it before, but I tried to be too smart, and as you can see it, the whole idea is you can it's a 3/8 drive. You stick in your air ratchet, you have to push it and turn it at the same time. A little bit complicated, so I decided why not to take an impact. Well, bad idea. I snapped this thing right off over here. So right after that, this thing I think I paid less than $20. So really nice set for any possible settings over here, as you can see it, and it's much heavier basically, and you have a drive with a, right here it even says left hand and right hand, because each side has a different thread. One of them has to be a left hand. It's actually, if you're gonna look on the caliper, see it even says over here left hand. So the left side, or the driver's side, I gotta use the left hand drive, which is this one, and the other one is for the right hand, for the other side. So as you can see, there is like brackets for any possible settings over here. I think this is a really good deal, because this $10, as you can see, at some point this little thing, it was jumping on me many times, because this little pins over here, I mean, you can find that it's kind of fitting over here, but it's definitely not ideal. This is like almost one-time deal. I think I used it twice, and on the second one like I said, I snapped one over here. So first time gonna be using this one, and I think this should work nice. So it actually doesn't say which side I'm using over here, so I have to pick. This looks very promising. Look at that. First try. M, whatever that means. Each one of those has like a 10, 0, F, 8, whatever. Mine, or whatever the Ford Focus, gets the M over here. So that's what we're using now, the M. Secure it over here so it wouldn't drop, and because this is a left hand, I will be taking this left hand drive and take this washer, whatever, spacer washer, because you have to slide it inside just like that, and that's what's gonna hold as you can see, this is the first time I'm using it, so it may not be pretty. looks like you have to put the cut part to the top. That way you can actually line up this thing. There you go. Okay, so now you have to pretty much just turn this thing left. I don't know how easy is that going to be. Okay, so I don't know who messed up, but left hand is not working on this one, on this. So see how easy it is retracting. Working actually super easy. One they got, because left hand on the left hand. Again, I think, well, I don't know if Ford messed up, but this guy's, see right here, it's like super easy. You're churning, and this thing, I don't know if you can see it, it's going all the way in. Super easy. I mean, it's like, yeah, it just compared to this, I mean, I almost enjoy it, but I'm a little confused though, because caliper marked left hand, this thing is left hand, and it looks like it's opposite. So, well, it's not a big deal, but you know, just if you're gonna buy this set, keep that in mind before you return it. You know, maybe that's what you need to do. But so far, it's all the way in. It's all the way in right here. See, and now you just loosen up with the wrench, I think. Yeah, this is 7/8. So now when I was going right, have to just loosen up just a little bit, and just like that. I love this set, so definitely if you're looking for this on Amazon, yeah, definitely 5-star. Definitely super easy. I love it. Okay, after this is like pretty much super easy. You just slide the brake pads, put it back together, and you're done.